Wait, do it again, do it again.
All right, we got to go back up the hill now.
Do it again.
All right.
Turn the car off.
Why are they still going?
Alright, we are still moving.
Yeah, I'm back with my second video, I guess, and the reason I kind of stopped for a little bit was because of the editing. Editing absolutely sucks. Like, it is really hard to edit. So the V at Miller Time V no longer stands for blogs, it just stands for videos, I guess, whatever you want. But yeah, it's like 7 a.m. and we got to go to the field, actually, to play a match against Porter Ridge. And I just realized I forgot my keys in the house. But now that we got our keys, we can leave now. So I just wanted to explain that I'm probably going to post maybe 2 videos. That's my goal. Just because the way that I'm doing it, I realized that the reason why it was so hard to edit was because I was doing too much time lapse. So, but now that we're kind of stopping the time lapse crap, we can make videos faster. So we're actually gonna head to the field now, play a scrimmage against Porter Ridge. Probably not gonna do too good, just because Porter Ridge is really good. So I got to the field and there is literally no one here. I don't know if you guys can see out, but there is nobody here. Like, the coach literally isn't even here. But I guess now would be a good time to talk about how everything's gonna go. So I had 2 videos a week. That's what I want to do. Most likely gonna post. So we want to post Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. That's our goal. Like, once I get used to the editing software that I have, because it's like a $200 editing software that I got for free because my mom already had it, but I got it for free because she gave me the code or whatever to activate it, and it's like extremely confusing, so I gotta get used to it and all, but hopefully that'll happen fast. So, me being the idiot that I am, I took a lot of the videos in portrait instead of landscape. So I won't be able to show any of those, so I'm just going to give you a basic rundown of what all happened. We lost all 3 scrimmages against Porter Ridge, but we ended up scoring. But we did win the PK shootout 5-4, so we won basically. I mean, that's a win in my book. I'm going over to a friend's house now, Avi. So guys, made it to the house. Avi's house, and his dogs come out. What's up, Blue? What's up? What's up, Blue? Yeah. Daddy's afraid of guys, though, so he won't really say anything to me. Okay, so I went to Avi's house, and I didn't really record anything, aka we were kind of acting like children, so I didn't want to record anything, but I think now is a good time to introduce the new member of the family. Ben. Bad timing, really. What are you doing? Stick. Oh, goodness. Don't, hey, nope, don't take that in the yard. Quit eating the look at this, he's freaking tearing up the grass. He's a bad dog. Look, he brings sticks into the yard. God, freaking. Look at him. Takes the sticks into the yard. Right? And then all of a sudden he just stops. But I still love him. Bye-bye. He also isn't quite potty trained, so you know there's a lot of accidents in the house. Hey, Boone. Boone. Jesus. Let go. Little turd. Let go. Got him. Bad doggy. Sit. Good boy. Bite. Good boy. Alright, release. Yeah, still working on the whole release thing. Fetch. Or not. Good job. So I've actually got to clean my room right now. So this is going to be probably the only time lapse. Let's do it. Kind of the best thing to do a time lapse of, but you know, content's content, okay? The longer the video, the better the video. That's how I see it. But we're going to Remix now, which is what my youth group calls itself. Oh yeah, and by the way, riding in my car, which is a Jeep 1997, baby. This thing's still rolling. This thing is nice. Love this thing, but I mean, you might. It's a hungry little bastard. Literally, like, one of gas gets me like a mile, maybe. But I still love the thing half to death. I don't know what I'd do without my baby. I'd probably be driving that thing all over the place, and I would much rather drive this. Even though gas is not very good, but listen to this thing start. This is a nice startup. Oh yeah, V8 engine, baby. But anyways, going to Remix now. Speaking of which, oh shoot, I forgot the shirt. Oh my god.
Thanks. Can you run in and get the shirt off of my bed? It looks like this. Can you run in and get the shirt off of my bed? It looks like this, please. Gracias.
So we're here at Remix. We've already done a prayer. So I am kind of recording this a little late. But I'm getting a shirt, Tucson shirt, for my youth group leader. And so, yeah. Bingo, Caesar! You should put it on right now, then we can match. You should put it on like right now. Trust me, it's been washed.
I'll put it on after.
It wasn't taken out of a box right before I came. You're welcome. I am.
Is it recording?
Yeah, because I don't have a camera.
Hey, shout out Cole J Vlogs, you know, just hit me up.
Alright guys,
Cole J Vlogs.
subscribers, okay guys? I have 11 so far, so you know, if you're not subscribed, you should definitely do that.
What? Yo, what's up, guys?
Hey Brantley.
Are you seriously vlogging?
Yeah.
Bro, I hate backing this thing up.
That's your fault. Oh man.
Let me get on the back.
Oh Jacob, you're gonna get run over. Look at this.
Hey, it's a Benz.
Dude, no way.
He's rocking the Benz.
He's rocking the Mercedes Benz. Dang. I love you too, Brantley.
Bye.
Just go on your vlog. We do the rope prank where you get on one side and you like.
Oh,
like
we
this, and you
should.
pull it like that.
We should. That's a great idea, especially on a car like that where there's no one in the back.
Miller, come on, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Hey, I need a video man.
I got you.
All right, you better. All right.
Miller. What's up, guys? It's Miller Time Vlogs here. Bryn, you're in the shot. Oh. Add him, Spin Bryn.
Spin_Bryn.
Add me at Jacob Gleason. Do it. Go. Now. Hey! I'm a success.
Give it to me. Jeez.
All right, let's use the ball.
That was so worth it.
It was. It really was. That's. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Hey, we're playing happy.
Oh, you gotta have the little earthquake thing. Ready? Ready?
You got a bit of music. Are you ready?
Oh, I did that very badly, actually. Wait. Go. Uh-oh. I didn't get that one. Hey, Cole, you want to be on my team?
We're playing.
Yeah.
All right, sorry, Jacob. He's on my team now.
We're playing Ultimate Frisbee.
Ah, don't grab me like that.
Right. You found
Ultimate Frisbee. We have a Frisbee?
Who has a Frisbee?
She does. Throw it.
No, not over my car.
Snag right there.
Bro, you gotta have a cameraman.
All right, who wants to be my Jacob? Or no, you're probably gonna play.
Hey, I'm a vlogger, bro.
This is for the subscribers.
They don't know that vlog life.
Hey. What's up, guys?
No, we should play it in the back.
Hey, Jacob, what
They
happened to
don't
the
know
Falcons?
this vlog life.
Yeah, they don't know it.
They don't know this vlog
That's why
life.
they're separate.
Noah's hating right
You should
now.
really start it up again. I'm just
Noah
saying.
is hating right now.
You should honestly start it up again.
No, I'm not starting
You
it up
should.
again, bro.
Why not? Because then we should be like, oh, how's it feel, Noah?
Okay, we got first.
We about to feast.
Anyone who got on
Yes,
my
sir.
team knows
Feast
we're
on
gonna
these
lose them. Okay.
Hey, just watch out for this thing. If you run into that, that's gonna suck. Yep. Oh. Okay. Oh wow.
Hey, now you're my height.
Hey, now you gotta jump down. You gotta.
She reached 5 foot.
She's perfect for Tyler.
No. That's
Bro, if you hold it like this, it's
No, but-
fine, bro.
No, but then it'll show up like sideways. On the
Do you even vlog, bro?
I do. That's what I'm doing.
Last time I checked, more subscribers, more videos, more likes, more views.
Shut up.
Ah!
Yeah, but you stopped.
But I still got more.
But I'm gonna have more. That's all. Look at that.
You know you're not gonna be able to hear squat because of the wind.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
There's no point.
Yeah. Say we already tried it. He said he's still not coming.
Hey, Jacob. Okay, don't get anywhere close.
So
to
we
my
walked
friend
out of Midtown after
Nuh-uh.
finding out how long the wait was, and
That
these
is a
go-
nice
and these-
tabletop.
Listen, and these people were talking.
Ours is
like,
better. We
all
got it
the-
from.
No,
We got it from
bro.
Mr. I am actually.
I mean,
I'm not happy about that.
like,
Hey,
bro, like.
Hey, Miller, do you want to play fantasy football?
Two tables already pulled together in the bar if you want to take that.
Okay, we'll take
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks, Mike.
All right. Thank you.
What are you doing, Cole?
Sitting in my high chair. We about to go flipping them debits cards.
You can stop right now.
Put that up because I feel like I can't talk about
Don't you have to have a
anybody
certain
when
amount
you're
of views?
videotaping me.
No, you can talk about it at plenty of people. I'm pretty sure I got a couple jokes about Tyler in there.
How many do y'all have?
4.
I didn't know.
Well, our imaginary friends are sitting with us. So
You need to shut up.
This is Billy, this is Joe, and this is Tyler.
this tractor. You such a liar.
It's taco night.
That's what it was. It's taco night.
Taco night this Wednesday's here, isn't it?
No, taco night's tonight.
It's Tuesday.
Oh, they're
right?
competing
I thought
with,
Tuesday was Tractor Tuesday.
She likes us.
She doesn't know what to say to
Like
that.
Mazda.
She definitely likes
Taco
us.
Tuesday and Mazda.
Bro.
Do you even vlog, bro?
Cole. Buddy.
About 5%.
I'm willing to pay anything for you, bud. Because I'm pretty sure you paid for me before.
So you'll buy me 10 wings?
If we could split them.
Yeah.
Alright. My boy.
I have limited
My
cash.
boy. That's my boy. That's my... No.
410. Yeah, add
My
queso.
boy. We got it. Scoot over.
Gang, 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 gang.
Alright. So we got...
Alright. So we
We gotta
need
come
like
up with a handshake.
need like a. It's gotta be original. You know what I'm saying?
it's gotta be
So what if we like slide in?
Oh, like... Oh, you probably haven't seen that movie.
I'm about to slide in. And then we kind of like, and grab the middle fingers, right? And then we kind of like
No, we should grab both
tickle
fingers.
each other.
No, we should slide in, right? We slide in.
Slide.
Grab both of these fingers.
Grab
and
both
it's like
these.
Spider-Man.
And then be like, pew, 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 pew. Dope. That's what it is. I'm about to. Sorry, I'm humble about my looks.
I would if I could.
Oh my god. That is like really strong. Holy smokes. I just got a whiff of that. It's like really strong.
Don't chicken out, you pansy.
No, it's like really strong. I think these are the teriyaki ones. What are you talking about? Those are the...
Well, of course, you idiot.
Why'd you get teriyaki?
This teriyaki is good as heck.
Alright, well, it looks like I get 3 of the buffalo.
Yeah, just stupid tails crap. Are you not even gonna eat any of these teriyaki?
Screw it, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I'll eat a teriyaki too.
Alright, I get 3 teriyaki, you get 3 buffalo.
So good. Oh.
Chill, that was loud.
That was some pretty good food, wasn't it, Cole? Pretty good wings for a taco night.
I gotta say, 10 out of 10. Thank you for buying my wings.
You know, you're welcome. You owe me next time, though. Actually, you know, you already paid for me one time. All right, hey. Go get that hump. Get that hump, Cole. Get that hump. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, Brent's on it. Go. Get it. Yeah. Celeste.
Oh my god!
Celeste, come back.
You caught me red penis.
Celeste.
Alright, bro, I love you so much.
I love you so much too, Cole. Bring it in for a hug. Look at this, guys. We are... Okay, you can stop there. Hey, Jacob, can you drive me...
Damn me up.
I'm not driving you to
Drive me to my Jeep.
I dropped Brent off too.
Yeah, drive me to them. It's a long walk.
What are you doing? I thought you left.
He's driving me to my car.
Oh no.
Yeah. Helena?
Just leftover.
Is that Helena?
Get out, we gotta go.
You took your Helena's.
I got his Helena's. I snagged that. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.